Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own color palette in Procreate. One of the things we do as an artist is we look for inspiration before we do anything else. We can get it from another picture or sometimes just looking at different colors. What I did today is I went on Pinterest and I'm looking at nature color schemes. I'm going to grab a photo plus something with paint on it because I want to show you two different ways of making a palette. I plan on actually doing a mushroom scene, so this is perfect. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. You make a screenshot by holding the power down. Oh, no, not that. By holding the power button and the volume button at the same time, really quick. So I made a screenshot, you see it there. We're gonna open up our Procreate, go to the wrench button and insert a photo. From there we're gonna find that photo, which is the very bottom, and just stick it in there. All right, so we hit the little disc button and go to palettes. And you hit the add button to make a new palette. From there you're going to hit this button and drag your disc on top of the color. Hit your wheel and tap. Do it again for the next color. Tap. And you continue to do it for all the colors that you want in your palette. Pretty nifty. I do believe I have all the colors that are in this palette. Now say you found a picture, like a beach picture or something, and did not find a palette that you want to use on Pinterest. Well, that's fine too, because all you have to do is go onto the picture, hit that button, drag whatever color you want to do, hit the disc button and add. Really easy stuff. So there you guys have it. How to make your own palette in Procreate. There you have it. That is how you make your own palette in Procreate. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe and mash that like button. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.